Okay, here we go. So today we're adding and subtracting rational expressions. What I did with you last time was simplifying and multiplying and dividing. So we're going to try this one. Example 1. Guess we can write day 2 on top of here. Example 1 is 5 over 9x squared plus 1 over 6x. So what do you need to do when you add fractions? Find a common denominator. And they're not common right now, so how can we make them into a common denominator? Right, and we can treat things separately. So what do we have to do? How about 9 and 6? What's a common denominator for 9 and 6? 18. You were thinking factor. So 18 we want. And then how about the x's? X squared. So 18x squared is going to be our common denominator. Now we need to think about what we had to multiply to get there. So on the bottom, what would we have to multiply 9x squared by to get to 18x squared? 2, so the top's going to be 10. You guys getting it? How are you with adding fractions?
Really bad.
Okay, yeah, this is going to be tough. All right, so 6x times what makes 18x squared? We need a 3, because 6 times 3 is 18. And x times what makes x squared? X. So it's like I multiplied the top by 3x and the bottom by 3x. Okay, and now we combine them. What's 10 plus 3x? Nope. 10 plus 3x, you can't combine them. And on the bottom is 18x squared. And that's it. Everybody remember why you can't combine those two? One is an x, one doesn't, yep. Different terms, not like terms. All right, now we're going to do the trick that I mentioned in the video. Do you remember the trick where I multiplied by a -1 to make them work? So somebody tell me, why don't they have the same denominator already? Right, this one y is negative, this one's y positive, this one 2 is negative, and this one's 2 is positive. Does everybody understand that? So what do I have to multiply one of them by to get to the other one? A -1, but if I do it to the bottom, I have to do it to the top. So this is now y over y minus 2 plus -8 over, I could call it -2 plus y, or I could call it y minus 2. I mean, those are the same thing, right? And then if I combine them, I get y minus 8 over -2 plus y, or y minus 2. And that's it. Yes.
Can you simplify the 8 and 2?
No.
Is it matter?
So you're saying, like, could I reduce the 8 here and the 2 here?
Yeah.
No, because this is a minus in a hit and a plus down here, which means that these are like locked together. So you either have to get rid of all of y minus 8 or not. If it was multiplied, you could. All right. Next one. Let's do how about we try a practice problem for you to try with your partner. Let's do 3 over 10 z to the fourth plus 2 over 15 z to the third. All right, try that with your partner, please.
Yeah.
Hey, did anybody leave a notebook and a charger in here the other day?
Yeah. Both. So we have,
Is that a 2 or a 2 for the top? Is this?
nine and,
Yeah.
Oh, wait, I forgot what line. Oh, that's actually my sure it's gonna be 4.
is it, on top and four?
So, but if you times it by 3, you get the
Yeah.
the 4 Z. We're at next Z.
And why the other actually?
Because this one started as 4 to the back 3. Third.
Oh, okay.
So make it 4.
What do you do? No, it's.
No. Oh, yeah. I was, yeah.
Sorry. No. Oh, yeah, yeah.
All right. Are you ready? The answer to this problem is 9 plus 4z squared all over 30z to the fourth. Talk to your partner. Decide if you want to come up here.
I was at Z squared, not just Z. 9 over Z squared, which is the exact same thing.
On top?
Yeah.
Like the 4Z was meant to be.
No.
Wait, did you say third?
What did you say?
Oh, I wrote the problem down wrong from the book. It would just be 9 plus 4z the way I did it, yeah. In the book, this was a square. So you would have had to multiply by z squared. Anyway, copied it down wrong, but you're right. Everybody, the right answer is 9 plus 4z over 30z to the fourth. Does that sound right? Great. Hands up if you want to come up here. Prizes? 1, 2, 3. 2.
You want to explain or you want to write?
Alright.
Okay, so first we have to figure out what the common denominator is, which 10 and 15, oh, we got it. Fine. 10 and 15 both go into 30, so we times one side by 30, or one times one side by 3, the other side by 2. But with the z to the third also comes to the fourth, so times one side by another z.
You gotta write while he talks, Philip.
Okay.
And since we times the side by a 3, that means that the 3 becomes 3 times 3, 9. And then once we add them all together, it becomes that.
Philip, can you write down your process of the in-between part?
There was no process.
Well, all right, so you just, like, your favorite number is 30z to the fourth, and you just wrote it down?
Yes.
Okay, what if you multiply the top and the bottom by, for the fraction?
On the top, 3.
Yeah, so can you write times 3 up there? This is for people who aren't here. No, no. Like here, right? Times 3 times 3. Or up here. So we can see your work. Good. Okay. That's
2 to the z.
Alright.
Put a z
Put a z by here. 2z.
on the top one also.
Beautiful. Get some prizes. Nice job. What do you got this time, Gustavo? Oh, a rocket ship. What are you putting on your notebook?
What?
What does it look like?